Hello YouTube! Thought I'd do a quick video here. Now, I know a few people have asked, do I need to dedicate a laptop just for my GMRS two-way radio gear? And the answer is no, not necessarily. What I mean by that is, if you're using a laptop to play like date and time or whatever software you're using, but you want to still use the laptop to do other things, and not have it, let's say for an example, you want to go to YouTube and watch a video, and hopefully it's one of my videos. But anyway, but if you want to do that and not have it play the YouTube video over your repeater, there's ways to do that. That's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, that's one of the advantages of having a USB sound card. That's a separate sound card from the computer. So, if you have a USB sound card, then you'll be able to do this. If not, then you won't be able to do this. But if you have one, what you do is whatever software you're going to be using, in this case, I have the date and time software up here. And if you go into sound card settings here and you check it to use the USB sound card, which in my case it's called Speaker 2 USB audio device, which is this sound card here, then I hit OK. Then make sure you go to the file to save configuration. So if you restart the program, it automatically goes there. Now my date and time is only going to be played over that USB sound card. Okay? So if I have my main speakers set to anything but that USB sound card, if I call this up, and I go to here, do you see where it says, well, I have another sound card plugged in, but you'll get the point here. Do you see how it says Speaker 2 USB audio device? Don't select that. I'm going to go with my normal speakers. Okay? Now, that's going to let me use the jack or the built-in speakers on my PC. So here's what I'm going to show you. Watch. If I hit play, that's only going to go over that USB sound card, which I have hooked up to these speakers. Okay? So, we're going to hit play.
Friday, 5 May 2023. Time is 10:13 a.m. Outdoor temperature 59 degrees. Wind speed 7 miles per hour.
So, if I do, I can't really play an actual sound file because I don't want to get a copyright. So let's just do my call sign. If I hit my call sign, it's playing over the speakers over the computer, and that's because I have it selected to do that here at my main speaker. Okay? So if I do this, let's see if I can do all this at once. If I hit play.
Friday, 5 May 2023. Time is 10:14 a.m. Outdoor temperature.
See? Two different sounds.
Degrees. Wind speed 7 miles per hour.
See, two different sounds. So, as long as you select that in the software, you can, like, for an example, I can either listen to a YouTube video over my speaker, or I could plug in a headphone jack, and it does not interfere with my date and time because that's being pointed to a separate sound card. So as long as you got a USB sound card and the software you want to use has a capabilities to select the sound card, you can do this. Okay, now let me show you. Now if I select this down here, which would be my main speakers for the computer, if I go to USB 2, well, guess what's going to happen? And I hit play, it's going to play over my speakers. See?
Speed.
So that's what's going to happen if you do that. So we don't want to do that. We want it, we just want it to go to the USB sound card. So we want to undo that, put it back to speaker, anything but that USB sound card. Okay? Now if I hit play again, you're going to hear it over the better speakers.
Friday, 5 May 2023. Time is 10:16 a.m. Outdoor temperature 59 degrees. Wind speed 7 miles per hour.
See? So that's how you can do that. Like I said, as long as the software has that capability where you can select what sound card and you have a separate sound card, USB sound card works great for this. That's the advantage of using a USB sound card. You can still use this computer to watch videos, watch Netflix. Just make sure, like I said, you have this set up correctly. Select the USB sound card. Select the speaker out to anything other than that sound card or anything other than this sound card. In this case, I just did my normal computer, built-in computer speakers. Now I can safely watch Netflix, anything I want on this computer's main sound card, and it will not be played over the USB. So there you have it. That's the way you can still use your computer and still have it hooked up to your GMRS radio gear. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.